don't forget, guys, this is salt free. And don't forget to visit www.besuretocook.com to hook yourself up with Be Sure season. Okay, it's very easy to open. It's got a tab. This is a big, humongous box. This will last you probably at least 6 or 7 months. Depends on how you're cooking. It lasts you for a long time. You probably need to share some with your friends. Get them to try it. I'm going to add a little bit here to my vegetables and season it up. Look at this. Just a little bit of that. This is good stuff. So we're going to mix this up and get those flavors into that. All of my vegetables by the cooking. We're going to turn this up and we're going to let this